standing behind you, 100%. The First Lady and I are in California to express a great love for the people of California. The federal government standing behind you, 100%. The First Lady and I are in California to express a great love for the people of California. I've had great support always in California. We did very well recently, as you know, relatively speaking, at least I can say. But we have to grieve for the 28 Californians who have tragically perished, and sadly you're going to be finding more, and that's going to be very sad because I know people are missing, and when you look at that kind of incineration, you know what's going to happen. You're going to find some more. But with all that we've gone through, I watched your firefighters, and they were really fighting at a big disadvantage. I got to know a lot of them just now, and they're incredible people. They were so happy. They were saying, congratulations, sir. You know, they're thinking about country maybe even before this location that they all love.
Don't miss out. Log on to Oneindia.com for more updates.